Okay, this is just a quick little video. This is a transmission from a later 1928 Model A that I rebuilt the transmission on. It is not the early model, but I wanted to document why I am painting it red instead of what is normally the factory color. And I should have done this earlier, but it was painted red to begin with. This is the original transmission from the Model A that I bought. The owner's history is that they replaced the engine and transmission, but have included it in the sale of the Model A when the previous owner that I bought it from bought it. And so I got the original, and it is clearly painted red. And when I took off the paint, there was no trace of, the typical dark green or black or anything on it, only red. So that is why I have painted this red.